Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time, we're going to create a chat bubble icon using the guidelines. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. And I've already prepared the sketches, and if you need guidelines for your icons, you can download them and the link is in the description. Well, let's start with the box object. Now, the stroke width is 2 pixels. Select the box, then go to the Path tab and choose Object to Path. Then select one node below and poof. Now use the Bezier tools and continue the line. Now, let's create 3 circular objects in the center. And yes, we duplicated it into 3 objects. Select the 3 objects and move them up a few pixels to balance them. Then duplicate it and place it next to it. Now select the bubble object, go to the Path tab, and choose Stroke to Path. Now, let's go back to the Path tab and select Break Apart. Then go back to the Path tab and select Union. Select the 3 circular objects, then go to the Tab menu and select Union. Then select everything, go to the Path tab, and select Difference. Now, select the bubble chat icon on the side, then go to the Path tab and choose Stroke to Path. Go back to the Path tab and select Union. And here are the results. I hope you find them useful.